Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict over here app because, I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So I'm just letting you guys know the merch store is live. And then tomorrow, I'm dropping a video on how backlots look. So I'm going to drop a video tomorrow. I'm working on my computer, so I'm just trying to figure out how the audio and stuff is going to sound. So that's what I'm just making sure the audio sounds clear because last time I recorded a video on my computer, the audio was trash. The picture quality was kind of like trash too, but that's it. So letting y'all know Happy New Year to you guys. Letting y'all know that I did get on. I already got on this morning. I got the merch store fixed. I got the prices fixed. This is the like the old logo, but I do got the new go. I do got the new logo. Working on that. My editor is making up a new logo, so it's probably gonna be. It's gonna still be the same like JJ's Cars and Advice, but I'm changing that car in the back because that's just an old plain unoriginal car. So I think I'm gonna just add some different cars to the back, like keep this logo up front, and then just add like some different, like 3 different cars, the cars that I want like behind me. So that's what we're gonna do. But the merch store is live, so it is connected to. It should be connected to all the videos, and then I'm gonna just tag like some stuff. But I did go on there and change it. I just made everything to about $20 to $40, like the hoodies and stuff. Like hoodies is like $40, and if they're like premium hoodies and stuff like that, I think they're higher, I believe. And if they're like premium shirts, I think they're like they're $25. They're like $5 more than the regular. So you got the regular t-shirts, and then they got the premium. And then I don't know if you guys want me to add the Adidas one to the thing because they have like Adidas tees that they offer too. So I might just go in there and add a couple of those just because I don't know if that's the brand, if that's what y'all like. But yeah, we about to get on here. I'm going to just give y'all a little walk down on how backlots is, but it ain't even backlots no more because they got bought out by Open Lane. So about to get on here, make that video, send it to my editor. Then tomorrow, because nothing's open today, like the bank and stuff, so that they kind of just screws everything up. Screws everything up. Like, and then the salvage yards, they closing early, and some of them's not even open. So it's like I can leave, but it's like I won't be getting any work done. And I'll start blogging more often too. I know I don't really go that many places and stuff like that, but I'm gonna start doing that because I want to start dropping content every day. That's the goal. Like if it's a video or a short, just every day, just having content. So that's the goal. I'm gonna drop some content on here, and then on my other channel, I'm trying to drop content on both channels every day. So it's gonna be a grind. So just be here with me. I appreciate everybody for liking this video. Happy New Year's to y'all. Hope it starts off great for you guys. Me, I don't care for like the Happy New Year's, Happy Holidays, because I feel like you're coming in, like you should be already starting how you want your new year to be going. You shouldn't wait to say, oh, it's the first of the year, let me just flip a switch. It should just, you should be already thinking it and then putting it into action. And then once the new year hits, you just really just hit the ground running more. And holidays, they're okay to an extent, but majority of the time, big old waste of money. But I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. We out. See y'all tomorrow in the Open Lanes video. So peace.